We guide you through how to change the ID name in Google Meet. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Google Meet. Then sign into your Google account. Once you are inside, click your profile picture at the top right corner and select Manage your account. After that, tap on the personal info and look for current name. Click the name, then type the new ID name you want to appear in Google Meet. Make sure the spelling is correct because this name will also appear across other Google services. Once done, click Save or Confirm Changes. Now, go back to Google Meet, refresh the page, and your ID or new ID name should already appear during meetings. If the changes do not show immediately, sign out and sign back into your Google account or wait a few minutes for Google to update the information.